Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keyword research tools platform, which is Ubersuggest and Mangools. So let's get started with the side-by-side comparison about these two keyword research platform. So to get started, Ubersuggest in 2025 is a perfect for beginners and small business looking for a simple way to find keyword and grow traffic. It offers clear keyword value, difficulty scores, content topic suggestion, and basic site audit, all on an easy dashboard. Its affordable pricing and straightforward workflow make it great for quick researcher and a lightweight SEO campaign without a steep learning curve. Mango, on the other hand, is a dedicated SEO toolkit built for KW Finder, SARP Watcher, and a link miner WF Finder in a particular praised for its precise keyword difficulty, long tail suggestion, and computer SRP data, all wrapped in a clean, intuitive interface. It delivers a deep keyword insight and a better visualization than most entry-level tools. And here's a better conclusion. Choose Ubersuggest if you want a budget-friendly, beginner-friendly keyword tools, but go with Mangool if you want a more specialized, detail-rich keyword research suite for stronger analysis features. And that's it.